Basis of the screen of the beam 2 screen. Set the cut. To the right of the beam 2 is the SP4 blade. On the basis of the SP4 blade, press to move inward. Click the work interface and press to rotate the SP4 blade out. Move the SP4 blade of the beam to the top of the tablecloth first. Use the tool to loosen the knife clamp to the left. Hold the knife back to prevent it from falling on the tablecloth, and loosen it slightly to remove the blade. Now install a shorter knife. If you use for knives, all the knives should be consistent. Especially for 2 knives on a beam, the length of the knives must be consistent. It doesn't matter if the lengths of the 2 knives on different beams are inconsistent. The blade must be facing the person's side. Then push it to the blade installation point and tighten the screw to the right. Use the tool to lift the cutter head upwards, then tighten the 2 screws. If the screws are not securely fastened, vibrations can cause the blade to fall off and break. After the installation is completed, use a tool to move the screw down until only half of the screw hole is left. On the basis of the beam 2 screen, SP4, change the distance of the knife's descent. Since the distance between the knife and the platform is very different, the descent distance can be set to 5 mm first. When you clicker, the Z value on the screen changes to 5 mm. Pressing the down button again will increase it to 10 mm, and so on. Each time, the distance between the blade and the platform decreases by 5 mm accordingly. When descending, observe whether the blade touches the tablecloth. When the distance between the blade and the platform is about 1 to 2 mm, do not continue to descend at a speed of 5 mm. The blade is getting closer and closer to the sole cloth, changing 5 millimeters to 0.1 millimeters. Clicks to make the blade enter the sole cloth 0.320. 5 millimeters is the best. After the requirement is met, the Z changes from the original 165 to 165.3, and then click at this time SP4 is 165.3. The knife depth of SP6 is set in the same way. After setting the knife depth, go to SP3 and type, and the interface will show saved at the bottom. When using two blades, SP3 is needed, and a single sword can be pressed or not.